You don't know.
Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is just a let's do a hairstyle on a synthetic crochet hair. Now today's crochet hair is the Dalva Ultima Collagen Protein Crochet Hair in the style Deep Twist. I have it in 18 inches and the color is 1B. Now at this point you should have already seen my install video. If you came over to my channel, I know you've already seen my install video, and if you have not, I'll link it up above. But as you saw in that install video, that this pack has a heavy claim where it says you can style it just like human hair. That's a big feat for a hair that is in essence synthetic. Now if you're not familiar with my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can join the family, become part of this family and this community. But I have an install video of this hair. I'm going to do a review video of this hair once I take this hair out, and today's video is just a test to see if you can style this hair just like human hair. Now again, in my install video I'll go over the price, I go over the specs on that. In my review video I'll talk about the vendor, I'll talk about all that stuff. But today's video is just going to be focused on, can we put heat to this hair? Now you guys know I did try a human hair crochet hair. I tried the Saga human hair crochet hair. I'll link that video up above where I did a hairstyles video with that. Of course that was human hair. You're definitely going to be able to put heat to it. It's human, nothing should happen to it. But this is a by essence synthetic hair that it is a little bit more enhanced to be able to apply that heat to it. Now we're going to see if you can apply that heat to it. Now today I've had this hair in for exactly 3 weeks. Now I didn't want to do this first day in. I feel like all the hairstyles videos I see with this hair is always the first day in. Of course it's probably the best on its first day, but I want to see how it's going to react on its third weekend. That means 21 days with this hair in. Is it going to still respond well to heat? And I decided today's hairstyling tool that we're going to use to test this heat is the curling wand. If you watch my human hair hairstyles video, the device that I really gravitate to most of the time is a curling wand over a curling iron, over the crimper, over the straightener. I think straightening a crochet synthetic hair is always easier, but curling it is always where the problem lies. In today's video we're going to see if there is a problem with curling this crochet hair. Now if you want to see me curl this Dalva Ultima Collagen Protein Synthetic Crochet hair, just keep watching. Now, before I get any questions and before I get started, I want to come on here really quickly and say that when I premiered this, or when I showed my hair wand curled on IG, I got a lot of questions. If you're not following me on IG, by the way, please do, at Lavon89. Everybody saw my hair wand curled at least 3 weeks ago. So you guys who are watching this video, you guys didn't even see the magic that was happening. But I got a lot of questions. Can you do this with synthetic hair? Just run-of-the-mill synthetic hair? No. Again, this is a special hair that totes on the packaging style just like human hair. So please do not try this with your ocean wave hairs, with your outre, you know, go out straight hairs. Don't do it. This hair does have a special claim to it. So again, this is not going to be done with every single synthetic hair out there.
Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you.
Now, if you ever wanted a real reaction from a Leah Lavon video, this is a real reaction. I truly am shocked. I have to tell you right now that I thought this was going to be a fail. I honestly thought this video was going to be titled Curling a Hair Fail. I'm pausing my podcast right now so I can come and talk to you guys in real time. Now, I intended this whole video to be a voiceover, but I just have to say I am a little shocked. I think in my mind I had this being a fail. I thought that it was not going to work. I am a little taken aback by this. This is a genuine reaction. I assume this whole portion of the video is going to be a voiceover, so I didn't even worry about anything. I'm listening to a podcast as we speak right now, so I didn't expect to have to come on camera and speak, but yeah, it curled this hair. Again, this is 21 days with this hair in, and it took and held a curl. What is this? What is this synthetic hair? Again, I will go into the price and everything in my review video, which will come out a week from today. So a week from today that you're watching this video, not a week as I'm filming it. I'm still gonna wear this hair probably for 6 weeks, but you guys know how I stagger my content. I'm not putting this video up next Monday. This video will probably come out by the time I have this hair out, but I don't plan on taking this hair out for another 3 weeks. So again, I plan on wearing this hair for about 6 weeks. Okay, I'm intrigued by this, but let's press on. Let's get back to this voiceover and we will continue rocking and rolling with this hair. I have to say my shock isn't at the fact that it did hold a curl, because again, a year and a half ago I did see Beauty Can Braid's video of this where she did install the hair and then curl it. Again, my shock is at the fact that I've had this hair in for 21 days and I've put it through the maintenance of 21 days. It's still reacting in a way that it still holds a curl at 21 days. That's where my main shock is coming in at. I thought that, hey, it's a kind of gimmick. It probably does react really well to heat on that very first day, but I'd be surprised to see how it holds a curl at 21 days. And the fact that it did really hold a curl well, I'm kind of shocked by that. Now, I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this hair. Now, please, 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 if you're watching this before the review video goes up, please wait till that review. I'm going to answer literally everything. You guys know how thorough I am in my review videos. You're going to get down to the price, where I bought it from, what made me change my mind about reviewing this hair, because I made a video almost a year and a half ago where I'm saying literally will not be trying this hair. What changed my mind, where I bought this hair from, all the specs, all the details, how long I was able to wear it, what my maintenance was like. Is it high maintenance, low maintenance? Is it water friendly, activewear friendly? I'm gonna break it so far down for you. You'll know everything you need to know about this hair when the review video comes out. So again, please wait till that review video comes out for any questions that you have about this hair. Again, I know I'm gonna get flooded down below. Don't be skeptical if I don't answer anything in the comment section down below if there's questions. I'm just going to say I don't like repeating myself. I'm going to be so thorough in that review video. It's not going to be funny. So again, please wait out to that review video. It'll come out a week after this video. I just have to wear the hair out. As I'm currently wearing this hair while I'm recording this voiceover, you can imagine it's going to be quite some time before it comes out. I know in my speaking real-time version of this video, I think I said I was going to wear the hair for 6 weeks. I think I might actually wear it to 7. So it might be even longer than I'm wearing this hair. But again, the review video will come out a literal week from whenever this video comes out. So please hold your questions till then. I'm going to go deep. And again, like I said, I'm not being shady by not answering them. I'm literally just saying, just wait. I promise you everything is going to be answered.
The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control.
And I know I'm going to get some questions. What makes this hair react in this way? If it's not synthetic hair and if it's not human hair, what is giving it the ability to be able to be curled? I quite honestly am not a chemist, so I'm not sure. I know the word protein and collagen is in the title of this hair, but I don't fully know why it is performing in this way. It's very unique. I am not surprised that if you can charge under $20 for it, that companies don't make all hair like this. This would be an amazing product if more companies did go this route, but again, don't know what is making this specific hair work in this fashion. And I know I may get some questions from some people like, well, can you flat iron it too? You can definitely flat iron it too. If you can curl it, you can 100% flat iron it as well. I just wanted curls. I mean, I think for me, it's just better. I just kind of like curls more than I do straight hair. So I decided to demonstrate in this video what it's like to curl it. And I think it would have been a cheat if I did just straighten this hair and say, hey, look, this hair works this way. You can actually put flat iron straight heat to some regular hairs. I mean, some synthetic hairs. A lot of hairs that say maybe heat safe up to 400 degrees. Yeah, you can put a flat iron in those too. They're just not going to be able to be curled. The heat they're talking about is typically a flat iron. It's never a curling one. So I wanted to show the uniqueness that a hair can actually be curled, which not a lot of synthetic hairs can be. Again, a lot of synthetic hairs can actually be straightened if you want to, but not curled. Now I'm going to get some questions about how long does the wand curl style last. So how long does this style last? So I'm literally recording this voiceover a week from when this video was filmed. So basically 1 week later exactly, I am recording this voiceover. I look exactly the same. I literally look exactly the same, have done nothing, have pineappled and put my hair up in a ponytail every night, wake up in the morning, shake and go, and I have looked exactly the same. I haven't sprayed anything on this hair. I've literally done nothing, and this hair has stayed in the same wand curl formation. It's some kind of weirdness about it. I just don't understand fully what is going on right now. I am shocked myself, if you cannot tell. Still, 1 week later, shocked that this hair is still holding up exactly the same. So again, this hair will last, I mean, a week. It's been a week so far, so I mean, probably gonna last another few days. I honestly can't see the curl changing at all, but again, it will last you, I mean, a week, and then maybe you'll have to retouch a few curls, but again, it's holding on steady.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You're done now.
Now, one thing you probably can't tell from this video, of course, is the length of time it took me to record this video. It took me about an hour, over an hour, to kind of do this fully because I was really spending my time on each curl. I did hold the curler around the wand curl for about 15 seconds. Of course, you can't fully tell that because, of course, this is a sped up video and I'm not going to show you in real time, or this video would have been about an hour and 30 minutes if I kind of just let the whole thing play out as it was. So I sped it up, but as you can see, I'm holding it for quite some time, and that quite some time is about 10-15 seconds. I really wanted the curl to be uniform. I wanted it to be on point. So again, I was preparing hair as I was moving on to the next curl, and the next curl I would hold for 10 seconds, then go on to the next curl, hold for 10-15 seconds, then go on to the next curl. So again, that's what took a lot of the time, but of course, due to kind of YouTube magic, it seems like it's under 10 minutes. So you all, this is the finished look using this curling wand. Now, I got this curling wand from Amazon. It's just a cheap old Revlon curling wand. I talked about it in my human hair hairstyles video where I don't have any heating tools anymore. So I bought this. I bought a crimper. I don't have a straightener anymore, unfortunately, because I borrowed it from my family for my last one. When I say I don't use heat on my hair, I don't use heat on my hair because I have crochet hair. Most of the times it's synthetic and heat cannot be applied to it. Although this is a little different. I am very impressed by the way this hair is taking, and it has taken heat. Now, it took me about an hour and 15 minutes total. Of course, you guys watched a 10-minute video, but the overall process, as you guys did not see, it took me about an hour 15 minutes, and I really took my time, went piece by piece with this. I went a lot slower than I did in my human hair hairstyles video, so it may look like, hey, it took heat a lot better than even the human hair did, but you have to realize in that video I tried to jump 9 styles into one video instead of kind of taking my time and really, you know, sitting there with the wand. Instead, in this video, since I'm only using one heating tool, I decided, you know what, just go for it, take your time, go slow, and see how it comes off. So again, it's not that the human hair didn't hold a curl as well as this hair does. It's just that I really took my time and wanted this to look really well, and I believe it does look really, really well. Let me do a 360 so you guys can see. I think I even did a good job in the back, but again, I don't see the back, so it may look a hot mess. I don't know, but I digress. Really like the way this hair is able to be styled like human hair, and I'm gonna get a lot of questions. Can you use a flat iron? If you can use a curling wand, you can pretty much use a flat iron. Usually with regular synthetic hair, you can use a flat iron, but you're never gonna be able to use a curling wand. You're never gonna be able to use a curling iron. You're gonna maybe be able to, you know, use hot water and a flexi rod and get some curl definition that way, but you're never really able to use heating tools. But with this hair, it does withstand heat very, very well. Now, overall, this has been my hairstyles with this hair video. I will preface that, just like I did in my install video, with please, please, please wait till my review video to make any decision. If my review video makes you want to go run out and buy it, if it makes you not want to purchase it at all, whatever the case may be, just wait till that review video. I'm not making any observations about my feelings in this video, about the hair, about the shedding, about the cost, about anything in this video. My review video will have it all. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you can catch that review video, and also have that notification bell on so you can be alerted like that whenever that video does go live. So be on the lookout for that. Again, it should be in a week from now, 2 weeks at the most, but if you're locked in, you will know when that video is coming up. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, I did too much talking or whatever the case may be, please still give it a big thumbs up. We love the love and support over here on this channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lavon89 so you can keep up with my shenanigans in real time. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.